Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are back out in the warehouse, and today we're going to be talking about our high-temp unions made by CMP. So we have those here. This is a very long part number, but bear with me. 21063-200-000. What this does is this goes on the front of your pump if you have an old IntelliFlo 2, so the generation prior to the IntelliFlo 3s that are out now, or if you buy a new WhisperFlo VST. So this threads on there, makes it super nice. You just undo a union, take the pump out, put a new pump in. It's way better than just hard plumbing those pumps in themselves. So fairly inexpensive. We got tons of them in stock here, thousands of them probably. Come down Bell I-17, check out the shop, or ePoolSupply.com. We have lots of these ready for make your pump installation a lot easier. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.